Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to loud mic / priority speaker on Discord. So first and foremost, you want to have a role that's for admin or such as moderator. You don't want to give this ability to everyone, then the entire Discord is going to be a bit of a chaos. You want to give it to people that needs to be heard, or roles that are important, such as an admin would have that ability, but someone such as the villager or the bots won't have that ability. So now, how do you set loudmouth? You want to go to server settings, then you want to go to roles. Once you're in that roles, you want to select the role that you want to give this permission to, and then you're going to go to permissions. Once you're in permissions, you'll see something after scrolling down a bit. Yeah, you have to scroll down quite a bit here. After scrolling down even a bit more, you're gonna see this priority speaker. Now, if you want, you can pause the video and read this, but it's basically you need to also set up push to talk keybind. Now you want to make sure this priority speaker permission is activated. Once you activate this and give yourself that role of priority speaker, you want to go to push to talk. And then from here, you want to set a keybind, such as I'm going to add a keybind now. And it's going to be push to talk priority. And then I'm just going to add a keybind and then close. So basically, now every time I join a VC and I want to breed a priority, as in I want people to hear me better, and my mic's gonna be loud, I just want to press on push to talk and I will talk. Right now, I mean, it's not easy for me to demonstrate this, but if that's basically how you do it. Have a push to talk priority keybind, turn on that permission for yourself, give yourself that role, and then basically just push to talk. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.